Hello everyone. Today we are exploring Gavier Lake, a hidden gem just 7 kilometers away from the bustling city of Surat. Located in Gavier village, this lake is a peaceful heaven for urban wildlife, even though it's now surrounded by housing societies. The lake was officially under the government of Gujarat's Water and Sewage Board. Nature Club adopted it and worked hard to turn it into a safe space for wildlife. They planted over 15,000 native tree saplings, which have now grown into a beautiful green cover, with trees reaching over 15 feet tall. Let us get some more info from the people who work here at the ground level.
હું રોહિત છું અને આ તળાવ પર 20 વર્ષથી અહીંયા દેખરેખ કરે છે આ તળાવની. અને અહીંયા જે માઇગ્રેશન બર્ડ્સ આવે છે નવેમ્બર મંથના એન્ડમાંથી સ્ટાર્ટ થાય છે માઇગ્રેશન અને માર્ચ મહિના સુધી ચાલે છે. અને આ જે માઇગ્રેશન ચાલે આઉટ ઓફ કન્ટ્રીમાંથી બહુ બધા પક્ષીઓ અહીંયા આવે છે, ડક્સ આવે છે અને અહીંયા સ્ટે કરે. એ લોકો અહીંયા માઇગ્રેશન કરે રહેવા માટે, મતલબ ખાવા માટે કંઈ પણ એ લોકોનું ફૂડ હોય તે ખાવા માટે અહીંયા આવે. અને રાત્રિના ટાઈમ પર એ લોકો જ્યાં પણ આ સરાઉન્ડિંગ જે લેક છે એના ફરતે બધે ખાવા માટે જાય છે અને રાતે જે અહીંયા સ્ટે કરે લાઈક અ હોમ, કે એ લોકો માટે આ એક ઘર જેવું બનાવે છે.
Today I am here to interview Mr. Snehal Patel, the president and the pillar of the Nature Club. Sir, can you please tell our audience about the biodiversity, specifically in the Gavier Lake wetland conservation that you...
Actually, Gavier Lake was outside the Surat city limit when we started protecting that lake. That lake comes under Gujarat Water Supply and Sewage Board. Water from that lake is purified and supplied to 7 coastal villages. But then we found that a lot of people used to come there and do fishing and also hunting of the migratory birds. So we took permission from the Gujarat Water Supply Sewage Board as well as the Sarpanch to make a protective fencing around the lake. And fortunately they were cooperative. We got permission. We made a fencing, almost 1.5 kilometer long fencing around the lake. And the natural grass which is growing on the surrounding is helping the wetland birds to hide inside it. Some of the birds are making nest in this grasses, and all this is absent in the lakes which are redeveloped.
The lake isn't just for animals, it's a hub for learning and leisure too. Every year, over 3,000 school and college students visit for bird watching and nature education. On top of that, around 1,500 local visitors come to enjoy the natural beauty. Gavier Lake isn't just a lake, it's a thriving ecosystem and a shining example of what community conservation can achieve.